funny at all, Tristan.
Whoop on Gundam style. Watch your sister, she's horsing it. I like him doing his own horse. Do your own horse, Tristan. But you're going too far away. The diamond moved over too. The people downstairs are freaking out.
I'm actually jumping lightly, though.
Your brother, I said.
Tristan, jump on the balls of your feet.
Tippy, yeah.
Go dancing.
This would be so much better if you had on your footsies.